Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 474 different strategies, with 145 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 371 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,064 indicators, with 444 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says this powerful indicator tells you exactly when to buy and sell. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now it's just a single indicator in this case. They didn't pair it with another indicator, so it'll be just an indicator testing video, and that will go on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so the indicator we have on screen is the bull bear power trend indicator. Is going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it'll look like this here at the bottom of the screen. Everything stays on the default settings. And so the setup on this is relatively easy. So the indicator basically consists of a couple of different pieces. It has an upper cloud in green, a lower cloud in red, and then a histogram here in the middle, and this black line right here. And so basically what we are looking for is when we pick up the histogram portion of the indicator. And that histogram basically signifies that the trend is kind of in the maximum direction according to both sides of the indicator. As the name implies, it's a comparison between the bulls and the bears. And so it's reading the buying pressure or momentum from both sides, and when the histogram appears, that, like I said, signifies that the one side or the other is in charge significantly more than the other. And so in this case, for a short trade, what we are looking for is when we get a red histogram bar that appears, that will be our signal to enter into a short. Pretty simple. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'd put our stop just right up above this pivot area, and we'd target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You see a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit pretty quickly. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for a green histogram bar to appear from the bull bear power trend. And you can see that we get a green histogram bar here. Now we got a red one here, which meant that we would have taken a loss as it flipped directions. But we're taking a look at kind of best case scenario here. So you can see that we pick up a green bar right here, and that would have been our entry right there, our stop right below this pivot area, and targeting the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one pushes up a little bit, pulls back, and then makes this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, that's 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So, as a standalone indicator, not the best as far as giving exact entries and exits. And so, maybe coupled with something else would definitely be a little bit stronger. Now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 21 trades altogether. We had 18 winning trades and 3 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 84% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $3,600. for an overall gain of $7,200, so better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $10,000 mark, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.